My name is Joshlyn Taylor, and I'm from Calgary, Alberta. I'm 13 years old and I've been paddling since I was 4.
I see her smiling every time we're on the water. She just has so much fun, and every time I go to give her feedback, she's just listening and keen and just always wants to learn more.
I want to go to the Olympics with slalom, and I picked slalom because I have full control over the boat. I'm a cadet, but I'm racing junior. I feel pretty good about racing in a higher category than I am. I feel good about it because I feel like I'm good at stuff and I should do well.